Hello, this is Aidan from Undersea Entertainment, and today I'm going to be playing some Lawnmower, which is a NES homebrew game, and I'll put the information about the author, the creator, and whatnot in the video description. Okay, so let's play some Lawnmower. So I tried this just briefly before, and I think the idea here, ooh, nice. The idea, I think, the goal is to cut all the grass, but you can see at the top our fuel runs out pretty quickly. So I haven't beat any levels yet. I just tried this to make sure it works. Okay. And it seems like the strategy basically is that you just have to go for the fuel as soon as it spawns. I don't know if it spawns based on time or grass cut. I'm not really sure. You can't not move, so you're always moving forward. You can only change the direction of the tank, or the lawnmower, rather. Oh, crap. I don't think we're going to make that. Okay, so it seems also like maybe it would make sense to, like, try to stick more to the middle, I guess. Because there I was in the kind of the bottom right, and I got bopped by that one. Oh no. We got this! Nice. Or maybe the idea is like you want to end up in the middle as you start running out of fuel. Maybe that would make sense. Kind of go from outside to inside here. Because on our way to the fuel also we get, you know, we can cut grass. Oh cool, I can do a 180, that's good to know. Alright, I think we got this. Level 1, come on baby! Oh. Okay. We got this, You won this round, Lawnmower. So one thing I'm very happy about is when I saw this game was called Lawnmower, I was hoping that it would be a game where you just mow grass. And that's really basically what it is, so I'm quite happy about that. So now we can do a little dangle here. I really want to see what Lawn 02 is like, you know? The bottom rightmost tile. Okay, here we go. No more fooling around here. Spawn. Okay, where's it going? Back to the middle. All right, we're flying. I guess if you wanted to really win with style, you could try to like write something in the grass, you know. Got that one. Let's get a couple while we're high on fuel, and then back to the middle. We're getting the hang of this. I wonder if there's any, if we're going to see any other mechanics in future levels. Like what could the next level be, you know? Or maybe just tighter, like your fuel runs out faster or something like that. I'm curious to see how it'll develop after this. It seems kind of like, you know, It's all right here. It kind of feels like that. No, 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 no. Oh, you do this. Okay. Redo. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this. Take care of this top part. Oh, we're styling. We're styling. Okay, this makes a little more. This is a little more logical here. We're going and we're taking care of the top first. I like this. All right, so far so good. So far so good. Nothing happens when we run into the wall. We just get stuck. So it looks like maybe 2 more fuels and we'll crush this. Oh no. Should I not have gone for this? Oh no, big mistake. Ah, that hurts. I just wanted. Okay, same strategy. It feels like they're the same time. The spawn time is always the same. And it feels pretty random. Oh, I do not like that. Ah, okay. Let's stop noobing it up here. Let's beat the first level. This is getting a little bit of a pride getting involved here. Okay. Let's be conservative. I want to be in the middle. Whenever it spawns, I want to be in this middle, like 6 squares here. That's my goal. Back to the middle. And middle. Come on. And middle. Okay, that's a good spawn. Let's get these bottom 2 little tufts and back to the middle. Yeah, that's what we need. Get these. Oh, I missed one. Oh, good. Alright, 2 and then back to the middle. Okay, same thing. Couple and then middle. Okay, come on. The controls aren't super responsive. I wouldn't mind a bit of a more like BM Tron style. Yes! In terms of responsiveness. Crushed it. What's up, Lawn 1? Wow! This is pretty. Can I mow these? Okay. Oh no, I can't. Oh, they crush your fuel. I see. We gotta avoid the flowers. Ooh, okay, so we're getting some twists here. Man, this is gonna be hard. What if it spawns like in the top, you know? I have to go through these choke points. Or do they always spawn near the center? Because if you're in the top, you know, left and it spawns bottom right, there's no way, right? Or it's the same idea, we have to venture out and come back right away. I wonder if we have to, if we're gonna have to cut those like these ball flowers, berries or whatever they are, in order to win. I guess we'll find out. We can do the grass first. That was a good spawn for us. It almost feels like it's picking a spot. I wonder if there's a certain range around the lawnmower. I didn't want to say that I like that there's no like player. It's just this. This lawnmower is just doing its own thing. Damn, how would it feel? I must say I do like lawn 2 though. The pink border, the berry ball flowers. I'm into it. Okay. Good feeling about this run. Good feeling. Already crushed this inside. Yeah, it must be like a random spawn within, a certain tile area around the mower. That's how it feels. And the spawn must be when you're at. It looks like when you're at a certain. Is it a certain amount or is it just time? I'm not sure. Maybe it is time because that time I was at half. When I drove on the berries, I was already low. So it looks like it's just the fixed time. Oh, we gotta cut the flowers twice. Look at that. That's gonna be close. Okay. No problem. So if it's spawning near us, I guess there's no reason to keep coming back to the middle like a scrub. That was more a long 01 strategy. These controls, I must say, are really the one thing that's bothering me. We got this! Alright. Here we are. We can be a little more aggressive now that we know that it's always going to spawn within a certain range, right? And I guess maybe we'll have to drive over the berries like once. Maybe if we can get a berry on the way to a can, like not like that. For example, absolutely not that way. For example, like if it was in the top left, we could go through a berry to get it. If we had enough fuel, I guess we'll have to do it like that. Like here, I can do one and get the fuel. I don't know why now I'm just styling. One more styling. I kind of like the lawnmower before it's cut, I feel like this whole operation needs a rethink. Looks like we got some ingrown grass there. Looking a little bare. Are we gonna make it? Yeah. Oh, that's not a good one. Okay, let's get this right side going. It's kind of fun. You gotta the reaction time you need to like turn around. I know I've been harping on these controls, but that wasn't like the controls don't make you lose, or they don't make it hard. They just don't feel that responsive, I wonder if that's an emulator. I wonder if this was on like a cartridge on a NES, it would feel better. Okay, this runs all the marbles. We got this. I wonder if do you use fuel faster on the grass, cutting grass, versus driving on the bare ground? I wonder. Because that could affect our strategy a little bit. Oh, no. Oh, that's okay. I kind of like the mowing sound too, that's good. And how it shoots grass out the back. Pretty inefficient lawnmower though, like every 5 seconds you gotta fuel up. What's going on here? Like a tablespoon of gasoline there. Oh, I like that. Good spawn. Okay, so let's try to line up. If we get one that's close, like that, that's perfect, because we can crush a berry on the way. I guess we can kind of farm them by just, like this one, I think this will work. Barely. I'm liking this. I'm liking our odds here. Not liking that spawn at all, though. And we're gonna die. Ugh. So far away. 80%. This is getting a little tedious, I must say. I think this might not be my my game here. I'm gonna give it a couple more tries. I do want to see lawn 3, I gotta be honest. But at what cost? Like, what am I supposed to do with that spawn? Come on. We get there. Nice, crush that berry. Yeah, we got that. We live in. No problem. Boom. Oh, I guess I should have been reverse order there. Get the. All right, we should make this. Come on, lawnmower. Style it. Yeah, we'll take that. I think the trick is to let the cans completely dictate your strategy and not try to get too stuck on going any, you know, oh, I'm going to clear out this area. You just got to, like, start with where the can is and then figure out the best, you know, get a berry or get some lawns based on that can spawn. Clutch. We got this 100%. I'm in the zone. And there's no penalty if you just, like, let's say you go, just get 5 cans in a row and don't cut anything. That's fine, you know. If they're not lining up for you to allow you to cut, there's no reason to force it, right? No reason to risk having to visit lawn 2 more than we have to. Unless we're thinking about this as just kind of a therapeutic cut-in, you know? That would be a good mode for this game, just open lawn, you know? And you can just cut as long as you want. You could write stuff, you know, infinite fuel mode. Oh, that was nice. Thought about going for a berry there, but felt a little risky, so I bailed. The left side kind of looks like a face. Alright, let's clear up this nonsense. I knew it was going to spawn. I have some dumb spot over here. Ouch. And 93%. I'm going to say right now, if I don't win this time on lawn 2, I'm rage quitting. For the record. So therefore, it's not a rage quit, because I'm playing it. Alright? If I pass it this try, I will definitely move on to lawn 3, reinvigorated. I knew it was going to be a nonsense spot. I could feel it. Oh, clutch. Oh, that's a good spawn for us. No! Oh, what? Ah, we don't have to get everything. I see. Oh, the flowers don't... Oh my god, guys. I'm working so hard to cut down the flowers and they don't matter at all. Oh, boy. Alright, well, lesson learned. You know, there's no instructions, so let's be fair. I'm doing my best. Okay. feel like that dulls our blade, maybe. Oh, it makes sense. Like, if you were cutting the lawn, you wouldn't just take out the garden while you're at it, I guess. Bit silly that I was trying to cut down the berry farm garden. Ouch, the blades, man. Okay, I'm calling it, guys. So that was Lawn Mower. Good game.